Hi, I'm Steve from Australian Jewellers Supplies Melbourne branch, and today I'll be talking to you about the professional M75 Orca torch kit. This torch is great for anyone wanting to upgrade. It's been using traditional handheld butane torches. It's very well made. It's been made in Spain and will suit any user wanting to use a single gas. It connects to LPG and will reach temperatures between 1000 to 1300 degrees Celsius. Some of the key features of this torch are the ease of changing the 3 interchangeable tips, the flexibility to control the gas flow via the black control valve, ease of adjusting the airflow via the central sleeve, so anything you can adjust from a soft yellow flame to a crisp blue flame. Has a really comfortable handle, and that all connects to a 1.3 metre hose that connects direct to a 2 kilo LPG swap and go bottle. In addition, if you would like to connect to a bigger bottle, an adapter will need to be purchased from your local gas supplier or even Bunnings. LPG regulators can also be fitted to these torches, but please note they will only assist in regulating pressure.